welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be, as far as I've planned, this is going to be a week in my life, and today is Monday. You may have seen clips of me coming from home. So yeah, I came from home to my hostel, मतलब to my college. 3 दिन की छुट्टी थी तो ये क्यों बुरा लग रहा है? Okay. 3 दिन की छुट्टी थी तो I went to my home. Now, today is a test, internals of 10 marks, which would be finally added to finals. So, of economics, so I have to study for that. And the good part is that आज बहुत सारे classes नहीं हुए. So I slept for 2 hours and that helped me to feel a little refreshed क्योंकि कल रात सो नहीं पाई थी. And now I'm going to get ready for the classes. उससे पहले थोड़ा पढ़ाई करेंगे एंड उसके बाद थोड़ा इम्पैक्ट पढ़ाई करेंगे एंड हैव फूड क्योंकि भूख बहुत ज़ोर की लगी है एंड I skipped breakfast, so let's go do that. I would try to make it like very real kind of a vlog where I show how my week goes. As I mentioned, welcome to a week where I try to focus on myself, allow nothing to take a toll on my mental or physical health, kind of take a chill pill from everything and prioritize my happiness and comfort. So this day, it was Monday, I came from home. I went to home क्योंकि मैं बीमार थी and after coming from home, as I had to unpack, organize and declutter everything, I'm going to charge my phone so no more clips. After kind of cleaning my room and whatever chaos there was, I got ready for classes. As I told that I had CAT means continuous assessment test that we have to give in our college, and here I'm doing my skincare routine, which is almost like a part of me now from 2022. I love how those simple habits that you make over time continues to be with you and somehow it becomes you, like a part of you. So that's why I was telling the whole thing. I went to college, attended all the classes, and gave the CAT. It went well. Not the best, but it was well. The flower is saying that you will win whatever challenges you have right now. Win over those challenges. मैं कुछ बकवास कर रही हूँ. Welcome to Tuesday. This day I again decluttered my table and the book shelf that I had broke, so I had to fix all of that. Then I got ready, went to classes, did not recorded anything in class because it is kind of awkward. I'm not used to it. And then directly to the evening I went to library, studied there, because then again the next day, means on Wednesday, I had another CAT of sociology, so I had to study for that. Honestly, I'm not doing anything as such that shows that yes, I'm into self-care and this week is for me and all of those things. But I was enjoying the slow morning, or not having a lot of tasks in my to-do list, just studying for what was necessary, or having my me time in that too, healing me, not thinking about anything, living in present. These kind of things also add to self-care. For me, it does, because these are the habits or things that make me take a slight break from my usual routine, where we often burden ourselves with things, with academics, with things from other spheres of life, and from all those chaos, it was necessary for me to have a week for me. Coming back to Padhai Likhai, I completed half of the syllabus of the CAT, and I was left with the other half, which I actually did not study. And the question was asked from the section that I did not study. But however, I answered the question very well, kind of. Let's see what marks I get. So today I did not talk, जो कि मेरा फेवरेट काम है. वैसे तो रूम चल के आई वुड टॉक मच मोर, क्योंकि यहाँ मैं कॉन्शियस हो रही हूँ. ऑल्दो यहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग नहीं है, बट स्टिल आई एम अ लिटिल कॉन्शियस, इसलिए I turned. चलो नहीं, बाद में ही बात करते हैं, ठीक है. अभी आई एम आउट ऑफ लाइब्रेरी एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कैंटीन टू हैव समथिंग एंड देन आई वुड गो टू हॉस्टल. सो या बाय, नॉट बाय, कीप वॉचिंग. मौसम भी आज बड़ा अच्छा हो रखा है अभी. I'm getting ready to do classes and I remember talking to you yesterday कि मैं आराम से आके बात करूँगी रूम में, but मैंने किया ही नहीं. So let's talk. Today I have an exam. I mean, it's not an exam, it's a test which I've not studied for. I mean, I have, but बहुत छोट, मतलब let's see, I'm not fully prepared. I want to talk about a lot of things, पर अभी दिमाग में कुछ नहीं आ रहा. So let's get ready and then go to college. Look at the moon. I have clicked a few pictures of moon बहुत शिद्दत से. Although I'm not a very good photographer. Pictures ठीक ठाक click करती हूँ. And I'm just कितना minutes away? 8 minutes away from my hostel entry deadline. But I'm enjoying my time here. So I'm just chilling. And I'm having ice cream. I'm going to have ice cream. It's my day. After coming to hostel, I went to my friend's room. She came from her home, so we talked about home, food and stuff. Then I made people to watch my video, got some subscribers. Yeah, we completed 500 subscribers, so cheers to us. And in case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Welcome to another day, which is Thursday. This day I did not film my routine before going to college and in the college, because you already know what it is like. However, I filmed this. Now we are going to shop a bit. We as in me and my best friend. तुमको आज best friend हम बोले. We had to buy a few items for our daily consumption, so we decided to go out together because we did not spend a lot of quality time at that time together. So we decided कि चलो आज मस्ती भी करते हैं, काम भी करते हैं, and that's what we did. After coming from there, I got to know that we have annual sports day that day only. So I went to watch it with my friends, enjoyed it a lot, because sports is something that even if you are watching it, not just playing, you have to be present in that moment. And I needed it because I'm someone who lives most of the time in my head. Friday started with a slow morning that I really wanted. Then the same thing, I studied a bit, got ready for the classes, attended the classes, and then after coming back from the college, I started watching this movie to relax, and it was a nice movie. I honestly liked it. Then I had my dinner, studied a bit. The weather that night was really amazing, so I went walked after having dinner, and I planned my weekend, the days after weekend, because my exams are coming. So yeah, this was my week. Tell me, how was the vlog? Did you enjoy watching it? If yes, I am happy, and if not, I'm open to any criticism or any recommendation for that matter, but politely in the comments. And sorry for not filming in the weekends because I did not felt like filming. The reason for that was that I was occupied with something different. But I promise to make a weekend vlog because I really want to. Not very soon, but someday because things are hectic now because of end semester. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. Thanks for watching and meet you in the next one. See ya. Till then.